Rhulani Mogwena's tenure at Wydad Casablanca is hanging by a thread after yet another frustrating result in the Moroccan Botola Pro League. The former Mamelodi Sundowns coach saw his side held to a 1-1 draw in the highly anticipated Casablanca derby against arch-rivals Raja on Saturday, a result that further dents Wydad's ambitions of silverware and intensifies questions about Mogwena's future at the club. With just 4 league matches remaining, Wydad now sit third on the log, trailing second-placed FAR Rabat by a single point. Though the latter still have a game in hand, the precarious position has not only jeopardized their hopes of a top-2 finish, but also placed a cloud over Mogwena's continued stay in Casablanca beyond the season. Mogwena arrived in Morocco with high expectations, eager to stamp his philosophy on one of Africa's most demanding football environments. But his struggle to deliver consistent results has left many unconvinced, and Wydad's notoriously impatient hierarchy may already be considering alternatives. Missing out on second place would be particularly painful, as it would effectively rule Wydad out of the running for the upcoming FIFA Club World Cup, a tournament that would have provided Mogwena with a grand stage to showcase his coaching prowess on the global scene. Still, there remains a glimmer of hope. Wydad must win their remaining fixtures and hope that FAR Rabat drop points along the way, but with league leaders RSB Bekane stretching their advantage and Rabat showing solid form, the path forward is anything but simple. For Mogwena, the coming weeks may define his coaching career. It's a high-stakes finish to a turbulent chapter, one that could either end in redemption or another early departure from a club that demands nothing short of excellence. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.